Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have h plus 12 is equals to h, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. So we move toward the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is, in the first method, here we you see that it is not easy to find the value of h, because here I can give you a nice techniques in which we will easily get the values of h. But if you see directly here, it is not possible to find the values of h. So I hope so you like this method to find the values of h. Now the very first thing we are going to do is, first we apply scaling on both of the sides, and it will be written as h plus 12 whole square is equals to h square. And further, in the next step, we use here the nice algebraic formula into the left hand side, and you know about that. If we have a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2 times of ab plus b square. So according to this formula, so after applying this formula to the left hand side of the above equation, it will be written as in this form. So here you have h plus 12 whole square. After applying this formula, it will be written as h square plus 2 times of h into 12 plus 12 square, and this whole equation is equals to h square. So here we need a little bit more simplifications, and it will be written as h square plus this is 2 times 12 becomes 24 times of h plus this is 12 square. And here we move this h square in the left hand side, and it will becomes minus h square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step, you see that this is minus h square, this is plus h square are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are 24 times of h plus this is 12 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we need to take common 12 from here, and when we take common 12, we get the remaining values are from here we get 2h plus from here we get 12, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here our target is to find the values of each, so that we need to remove this 12 from here. So that's why we divide both of the sides by 12 on each of these terms. So when we divide by 12, it will be written as in this form. So this 12 and this 12 are cancelled out by each other, and we obtain 2h plus 12 is equals to this is 0 divided by 12 is equals to 0. And now further in the next step, we move this plus 12 to the right hand side, and it will becomes here minus 12. And now further in the next step, we need to remove this 2 from here, so that we divide both of the sides by 2 on each of these terms, and it will be written as in this form. 2h divided by 2 is equals to minus 12 divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 are gone, and we obtain here h is equals to this is 2 times 6 becomes 12, and we get the value of h is equals to minus 6. So this is the only one value of h which we get here in the first method. And now in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of h be the solution, or is this value of h be the extraneous root. So for verification of this value, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus 12 is equals to h. So we substitute this value of h on both of the sides, and we check its behavior. So we have minus 6 plus 12 is equals to minus 6. Then we have minus 6 plus 12 becomes plus 6 is equals to minus 6. So here you see that clearly this is the positive 6 and this is the negative 6. Both of the sides are not equal, or in other words we say that it is not possible positive 6 is equals to negative 6. So this means that the value of h is equals to minus 6 is not satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally conclude about that this question has no solution in general, because here we cannot get any value of h which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final conclusion about the first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for second method, here our second method be the very straightforward method or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in the second method, first we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is h plus 12 is equals to h. So here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem, and here we move this h from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will be written as 12 is equals to h minus h, and we obtain here 12 is equals to 0. So you again see here 12 is not equals to 0. So in other words, we say that it is a not possible case 12 is equals to 0. Here we finally conclude about that we cannot get any value of h which is satisfied our given question statement. So in the second method, we directly say that the given question has no solution. So this is our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.